Hello and welcome friends, I'm Shakeel and you're watching my YouTube channel SHAKEEL FYM. In this video, I'm going to teach Zardosi's new border design. So if you'll make these designs in your sleeves or sari, it will look quite beautiful. So let's begin. First of all, draw a line like this. Then you have to take antique sequence of 6 number and golden sugar beads. After that, you have to stitch with Zardozi needle like this. Then do a small stitch and with a sequence keep on stitching by giving sugar beads in between. After completion, it will look like this. Then cut Zardozi into equal sizes. Then you have to stitch 2-piece Zardozi. Now take this small stitch and stitch. Now take this small stitch and stitch this side. After doing this, stitch from above exactly opposite of it. Then you have to stitch above. Fill the needle like this. Firstly, one bungle bead, then one sugar bead, then one sequin. Now start stitching and start from here and stitch below. Take a long loop in that. Lastly, take a sugar bead and knot it. If you have any question in your mind, please let me know in the comment section box. Now you shall have to do chain stitch of zari. Finally, it has completed and it will look like this. If this video helped you to learn something new, then like it, share with your friends, and keep watching, keep supporting.